Right now, sentiment is sitting at minus 0.14, which is notable because it pulls us away from our historical baseline. This negative sentiment, combined with a momentum of plus 0.51, indicates a potential divergence between sentiment and price trends, something you might want to watch closely. Our API returns a nuanced view of trade sentiment, offering you insights like sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic clusters for a comprehensive understanding of sentiment dynamics. Imagine you're building an automated trading strategy. You could leverage this API to identify entry points when momentum is strong, despite negative sentiment. This could give you an edge in timing your trades more effectively. For more detailed information on integrating our sentiment data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build smarter strategies together.